Hey South Jersey, I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. Some of you have seen rain quite a lot and some of you have seen nothing. Let's take a look at our rainfall totals. This sticks out on the map. Brigantine, 1.56 inches of rain. That was with a storm that just clipped Brigantine and parts of Atlantic City earlier this morning. Otherwise, we look across the area. It's just these scattered showers and storms that have been around, and that's what we'll continue to see as we go on throughout the day today. This is our future radar from 2 p.m. through 10 p.m. See a couple of showers passing through, and as we get towards the end of the loop, we are looking pretty dry here across the area. One thing we've been seeing today is a little bit of humidity in the air, and that's brought a heat index to around 90 degrees for parts of the mainland here. Notice the shore is cooler. But as we go into tomorrow, we're going to have more heat and more humidity, and that brings a heat index to 100 during the afternoon in Vineland, 90 in Fortescue, 99 Stowe Creek, 99 in Hamilton, even getting into Galloway and Estelle Manor, the Parkway Quarter, in the upper 90s. So, not unbearable heat. However, you're going to want to take it a little bit easier during the peak of the heat between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. tomorrow. In addition to that, that's going to bring some thunderstorms too. We're eyeing the hours between 3 p.m. to 1 a.m. for severe weather. I think the main focus is going to be between 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. Isolated areas of wind damage, isolated areas of roadway flooding. Could see areas like today, 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inch per hour rates. And a tornado, non-zero chance, but again, very small here. We're at a level 1 of 5 risk, a marginal risk, but I do think it's going to go up as we go into the day tomorrow. We go look at today for our temperatures in the 80s everywhere. Pretty seasonable, a little bit cooler over in LBI, as they typically are. In the upper 70s here, southeast winds 6 to 10 miles an hour, a couple of showers and storms around. And yes, you can see some brief roadway, stream, or creek flooding with that if it sits over you for a long period of time. We go into tonight. It is a sticky, muggy, mild night, mainly clear though, with the exception of a low risk for a shower or storm at any point. I wouldn't rule out any evening plans, but in terms of the rain, but just something to be aware of. On the water for today, south wind around 5 knots. Waves low in the ocean, actually a little bit higher in the Delaware Bay, and here are your high and low tide times for the Atlantic Ocean water. If you go into Wednesday, high of 90 on the mainland. Even the shore gets a little bit cooking as well. Heat index near 100 for much of the mainland. Again, storms start between 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. We're eyeing that 9 to 1 a.m. corridor where a line of storms will come through. We'll get you to our 7-day forecast. On the mainland here, we're drying out as we go into Thursday, although temperature's still hot. It won't be till Friday that we actually get some Canadian air in. Our first real, we'll call it, preview of fall air. Temperatures in the 80s, but dew points in the 50s. Very nice summer conditions. That takes us through the weekend here. We'll look at the shore 7-day. Pretty much the same story. We do get a 90-degree day at the shore on Thursday, and then we're in the 80s as we go into the weekend and into the beginning of next week. In a couple of hours today, too, you can meet me at Middle Township's National Night Out. I will be there sometime between 4:30 to 5 p.m. doing the weather forecast. I'll be hanging out a little bit afterwards. Come on by and say hi. We'll be with Butch Hamer, who is in charge of National Night Out in Middle Township. You can follow along on social media for that. Facebook and Instagram at JoeMartWX, Twitter at ACPressMartucci, or check our website for more at thepressafac.com/weather.